long as you got your eyes. Got you trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And it won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end.
Oh my god, y'all, it's so cold. That's one. The car is junky as fuck. That's two. Clean my house up a little bit today. I gotta do laundry. It never leaves the end of cleaning my house because it's pretty much clean. So, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you just go look at my other videos to see if you like my vibe. If you enjoyed this one, this kind of the videos I do make. So today will be a day in my life, as you can see by the title. We're going to be doing my hair. We're going to be cooking breakfast. We're going to be handling some errands, and then we're going to a basketball game later. So yeah, that's the plan. That's what's on the list to do today. I haven't been on YouTube in, I don't know, about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Let me go look. I do just be talking, y'all. Let's see my channel, and congratulations to me. I made it to 100 watch hours. Thank you all for everybody who stayed tuned in, who stayed watching to the end. So if you don't know, I need you to watch the end, y'all. I need you to watch the end. So it was Thanksgiving, so about 3 weeks ago actually, and I didn't show you guys. So it was gonna be like, so last Wednesday, y'all, I recorded behind the scenes of me getting ready for my photo shoot. My photo shoot for Christmas ended up being this Wednesday instead of last Wednesday. And this Wednesday, the cooperative, everything, we was rushing last Wednesday, but this Wednesday it went so good. So, and I didn't record nothing, so it's wild, but it's okay. If you haven't seen the pictures now, I'll put them up on the screen for you, and make sure you go like them on my Instagram page. My name on Instagram is Emily Tennille. Y'all gotta move because I gotta go. But anyways, yeah, we took our Christmas pictures. It's my home screen. It's so freaking cute. It's me and Bubby. Yeah, me and him. Right now I'm finna get a traditional by my friend Winnie. That's who did my ponytail on there. People thought they were tape ins, but they weren't tape ins. They were just sewed in tracks. I think they're like a crown. It's called a crown, she said. So yeah, right now I'm on the way to get the needle and thread because we forgot it. We would have been done my hair this morning probably, but we gotta go. I have to go get a needle and thread because she forgot hers at home. Then we'll be doing my hair, and then we can just start our day. Elijah's supposed to be going with his dad, but he's a little sick right now, and I just really don't like him being around anybody else sick. Even his dad, like, I just don't. I don't like it. It might sound crazy. It's not even sick. The season is changing, and he really don't need to be outside or around any extra people. He needs to just be inside the house. It's really cold outside. He needs to have his hat on at all times. I didn't even want to take him to the beauty store with me. That's why when he got him right now, because I didn't want to take him outside. So yeah, I normally don't do this, so let me do it. This is not gonna be my first time doing it because I don't do it in no videos because I assume everybody already know me. But my name is Emily Lauren. Let me not say my full government name. My name is Emily Lauren. As you can see, Lauren is my middle name. On my social medias it's under here, under the description below. You follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I post all on both of them. I'm a single mom of one boy. What else? I'm in school. My major is education. I'm currently a teacher for kindergartners. What else? I'm a server at a restaurant. I'm not gonna tell you what restaurant, obviously, and not gonna tell you what school I teach at, obviously, for obvious reasons. I'm a growing, aspiring content creator. Throughout this year, I feel like my channel has grown tremendously. This year alone, I have gained probably over 60 subscribers, and not saying that's just huge because I know people that gain over 1,000, 10,000, 15,000 subscribers a year. But me personally, that's a big jump for me because I did that shit. Like, I did that shit by myself. I'm supposed to be doing my full house tour for Christmas, but I haven't did it yet with my Christmas decorations. I mean, because there's not too many Christmas decorations, so maybe I would just show you all in this vlog as well. The day in the life for me. It might be a longer vlog than you think. So yeah, we're about to run into the Beach Plus store right now. Let me turn this off. What is this? Girl, y'all, I got so many gifts. I might open them on camera for y'all. How about that? I've opened one of them already. My kids got me gifts. I got early gifts for my babies. Maybe I should wait till Christmas to open them. Hey, I was trying to get needle and thread.
You done cut small bit?
Let me call this here. Let me see.
I'm not sure. Big, medium, small trick.
Big, medium, small track.
Which one? Big, small, medium,
Small.
small. The smallest?
Yeah, she said yeah. The smallest one?
Okay.
You sure? Okay, no, just not the real small one. The one after that, like medium, yeah.
Medium too.
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
He messing with you?
One needle?
Yeah.
C needle, right?
Yeah, let me get this. He told you bye.
Alright. 765.
What he saying, bro? We're vlogging today, by the way. I'm telling you, I'm out of bed. And I'm mad because I got to turn my camera in before the 28th. I should have been did it, so that means I won't be able to vlog New Year's, but oh, it is what it is. I ain't bringing New Year's with nothing special. But I left y'all the car already. I was bringing y'all back so I could open my gift on camera. Man, I was getting my camera. I'm looking for nothing. Oh, everybody got me hot cocoa. That's the second thing there. So I got a pen, some body wash, some hand sanitizer. I got some peppermint bark, and I got hot cocoa mix. I got a lot of hot cocoa mix. I might just make hot cocoa with some candy canes. But yeah, that was in this gift. This is cute. I might need to keep this box to reuse it. For my Secret Santa, I got a bag of hot coins and some more peppermint bark. And I got a Starbucks gift card for I don't know how much. At least $15 though, because this was the... And then from the school, I got right here.
Thank you much.
From the school, I got some more chocolate. I'm gonna be chocolate out. Bitch. Good job for throwing it far. With some more candy. Okay, I got a throw. Oh, I love me a good throw. And I put this in the living room right now because I just brought my basket up. Ooh. Bruh, some more hot cocoa mix. Did I bring everything in? I couldn't have brought my other gift in. I got some. I didn't. No, I didn't. Some hand sanitizer. Ooh, this Bath Mighty Works. Dang it.
You keep throwing.
So, and a candy cane. I'm gonna put that on my tree. And from another kid, I got hot cocoa mix.
Your mom can be matching.
Okay, so we're about to start doing my hair. Right now, I'm finna add some more candy.
Welcome to the Winnie and Lee show.
I'm finna add some more candy into my jar. I'm gonna get them this candy because I got a whole big thing of it. So I'm gonna get them like 3 pieces. Hopefully nobody go in there and actually take it. Oh shit, y'all. To open this is what, but yeah, I'm finna start on my hair. I'll probably get back to y'all when we get done doing my hair. If I get back in between, it's on some funny shit. We're gonna do my hair, we're gonna cook, have us some breakfast, then we're gonna go run a few errands, and it'll be time for the game. You gotta go get some, you gotta go home.
I got to go get
Oh yeah, it was only 2 of them.
I gotta go wash. I gotta go at least get some clothes.
This all I'm saying, are you buying some?
Clean my room. Hey.
Bitch, I got a whole shower. What are you talking about? Shut up.
I know, but I ain't got nothing to put on right now. I don't know why I didn't pack no clothes because I thought I don't know what I thought.
Hey, come here, say hey to my vlog. Come here. Come here, come tell them hey. Come here, look. Say hey. Say, my name is Elijah.
She did not say that.
You boo-boo. Why? Why you didn't tell me you had boo-boo? You what? Why you tearing it up? Go through it. I'm back, y'all. My hair is done. It's just not style right now. This is why it's under here. About to cook real quick. Try to watch TV if it don't cut off on us again. My TV just keeps turning on. So yeah, it's back working again. I'm washing dishes too, so excuse me, it's in the kitchen, but I got the bacon, the egg, and my pancake mix over there.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?
Okay, so that is amazing so far.
Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Okay, so y'all done cooking. Yeah, this one last shit right here finna make me so mad. Got my food. Whatever. Ooh. I'm about to eat. I'm about to drink. I'm about to eat. And then I'm about to get back with y'all when I get ready to leave and go shopping for my outfit for tonight. And drop it off. Because I got to get him ready to go.
You know I do.
And right now he's taking a nap.
Here.
Goodbye, guys.
TT, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, died and they died. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right.
I'm not fused right now, but I think it's in the car, so I ain't zoom in. I'm throwing a hat real quick. My hair ain't done 8 hours, whatever. I'm finna throw on a hoodie and some boots and go find me something to wear. Yeah. There's really a lot of errands going around. I want to make a list. I want to make this. Okay. Cause the one just told me to be ready for I do my hair at 4:30. That means I gotta be ready. I gotta be here before 4:30. But I got stuff to do. So let's make a to-do list. How you do to-do list, y'all? I'm gonna just do it in my notes. So I need to make sure I go get my shea butter first thing, because it'll be right there when I go drop it off. Shea butter. I just don't know if the fastest will be Target, because I'm going this way. Walmart will not be fast today, not right now. Kroger's might be the fastest. I'm going to Kroger's. And what I need from Kroger's is deodorant, face wash. I think that's it. Yeah, I needed some clothes. This made me because it's I don't waste some time. I really get either I stuff together. Baby. I don't know, but okay, next is gonna be Forever 21, and then this is something to wear, and then I gotta go to Sephora because I think I'm gonna get me some. I wanna go to Ulta, but those are 2 different sizes. I ain't paying the extra fucking money for that lip gloss. That shit gonna be sitting there. Oh God, but I'm still gonna go to Sephora to get some more pink gloss. And then yeah, that's about it. So let me fucking this up real quick. I'm about to get Eli together, get his bag together basically. If I put my shit together, but it's already 2:30. I found my camera battery so I can plug it up for when I'm probably getting my hair done, get back to the house. But for right now, I know my camera gonna die soon, so I'm gonna just record the important things. But I'm finna pull up at Shoe Time, which is a store. I don't know if it should just be in Memphis, but it's a store. They sell a lot of heels, boots, like everything. They sell a lot of different shoes, and I just need me some boots. I want the blue metallic boots everybody be wearing, but I think I'll have to order them. So I'm gonna just find something close to that style in here. Anything metallic really, like, oh, I'll take the silver ones. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna find some here, and then I'm gonna go to try to match this with something at Forever 21. I would go to Marriott, but for some reason I feel like I'm gonna spend more money in Marriott than Forever 21 because Marriott high shit for some, like, I don't know. So yeah, BRB when I get in there.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line.
15 minutes to get ready. Let me show you what I got. So what's a blue out game for, which means you must have not all blue, which I main focus shoes. I got this boot from the store. Got my 2 items in this boot. And then my little stuff for everything in. Then I got this skirt. So I gotta find something to go with it. You know, right now I'm gonna get in the shower.
So the crowd make a mind. Number 1, yeah, this is popping like a hot skillet.
So we made it in the car. It's currently later than I said.
Like I knew.
She don't even know the time I said, but it's 5:58 though. The game starts at 6 o'clock. I got to charge my camera up a little bit, but I probably won't bring my phone out during the game. Probably be after the game. My lips look a little funky right now because I had to do it in the dark.
Yeah, why you turn on?
Because I don't do it while people driving.
Yeah, we not even against the law. You can talk about it.
I thought it was against the law.
It's not. I do it all the time to record my video.
My mama always say, don't do that.
Well, probably because she, oh my God. Oh, I need to, oh my God. I haven't been to talk to mama in so long. I'm like, bitch, she love. It's 7 in the morning. You don't know how asleep I am right now. I've been up since 5:30 looking for the
What she do? Drive
Oh,
slow as hell.
the whole time going 50 on the expressway. Then want to talk about somebody.
Everybody else, oh God. Like, look at you, let me on it.
You going 50 and a 55.
She don't be understanding.
Why are you going so slow? Who do you think about to get you?
And then when she stopped, it's just all bad. Everything's bad.
She tired of me. I was so damn tired and I'm talking to her. I don't even know what we was talking about.
So now that looks a little bit better. It really don't, y'all. I think I put too much black and it's just starting to overdo it. It's just really pissing me off. But yeah, we on the way to the game. We're currently late right now. But last time we got there later, like 30 minutes later, nobody was there. They didn't start coming in till like the second quarter. So we should be okay. We both got on, I told y'all it was like blue out.
Yeah.
So you just wear your biggest color. Like you're supposed to specify blue in your outfit, I guess. So I'm wearing a hoodie from Winnie's closet. And then she wearing a hoodie from her closet. And then she wearing some black shorts and some boots. And I'm wearing some sky skirt and some boots. So we're kind of twinning tonight. And then I told you I got my tail Feezy. So yeah. And I don't know what's on the agenda afterwards. We're supposed to be going to Red Hook, but we got invited to drinks. And so that might happen. I don't know. Huh?
What's the boo?
But yeah, just stay tuned in with us. We're about to look it out till we get there. We're kind of like 20 minutes away. And I'm about to roll up. So, I do need to.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is have pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. Don't really want to. I just wanna get away. And stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
There we go. I fixed my lip because it was looking tragic. I can't fix my hair right now because I had to rush and do it. So whatever it is, whatever y'all see, don't talk about it. We're trying to find somewhere to park real quick.
What the fuck is new?
Last time it took us 30 minutes. I think we learned our lesson. Like, we can look for the cheapest one, but it ain't gonna be too cheap. Like, we trying to find somewhere under. We can't, like, under 20, you might find 15, 16. But that's it. Like, you paying 16 to park.
Sometimes it depends on the game. Like, they be trying to plug for the game. Okay, what if we park right here? Where is the fittest one?
We'll park it.
If we parked up in there. It's too far, huh? Okay.
Girl.
I'm crying.
Yeah, I was so mad.
I'm crying, laughing and chew.
If only I could tell y'all what I just did.
If only I could see my goddamn eye open.
Yeah, turn the light on.
Yeah, I just goddamn light.
Yeah, we gotta find a parking spot. It's 6:15. We made it in here in good time because the game started at 6, which really means they still kind of warming up. They just walked in. And the game don't start till like 6:20, 6:30. I want a drink, y'all. So I'm finna go get me a drink before I even sit down.
Yeah, me too. I was thinking it. That's why I need to go here and find me a park.
I ain't got no lashes on this.
Wait.
Yeah, I ain't got.
Did I just say something about parking over there?
And I ain't got no lashes on this eye. I'm just on it. Like, y'all, no lashes on this eye whatsoever. Shades definitely gotta go on.
This is 40 fucking the FedEx.
I ain't had a traditional in so long. Do y'all like it on me? My forehead too big for y'all. Oh, baby, it's
going straight out.
Like, how y'all feel about it? I'm trying to do that thing. This is, I ain't gonna say her name. This is one ugly hoe that do it every day on her Instagram. She do not be looking cute. I don't want to look like her. What you want? I ain't gonna do it if it look ugly. So yeah, this is all gonna be like 40 minutes. Yeah, mine would look cute. Hers be looking hideous, but I don't even see the point of them hoes. So I'm not gonna do that shit. You know when they be recording from the back camera with the flash on and shit.
$45 drink.
Let me tell y'all what this dumb bitch went and got. We got
Say you only drink once. That's a fact.
That's up. Oh damn. Hold on. Hold this. Gotta get my selfie.
Hold on, you grab the bag.
Thank you for that. Okay. So she got us some Casamigos, right? So this bitch went and got me. This was a double shot. And I told her if it was 25 and up, I don't want this shit because I'm not. I paid 25, cool.
At least I'm covering the rest. At least I wasn't grateful.
Her drink was already 17. She had Casamigos and pineapple. So I'm knowing my drink gonna be like, okay, 25.
I told you the drink was gonna be $40.
This bitch went and ordered the drink, not asking how much it is. The lady handed it to her $35.
She made you go down there.
She said I should have asked before. 30, y'all. A double shot pineapple and ginger ale, 35. Is that normal? I don't know, maybe because we had a FedEx phone. I told them I'm gonna bring the camera out of here. I'm kinda embarrassed. What else you need? Yeah, no, I'm not. Okay, I'll do this out later. Probably not later. Probably when we get back. I left my whole wallet at home. Stupid. So we have to go home before we go out to eat. What time they close? Let's see. Are we even gonna go there then? For real? We can just go. No, we can just go. They got 5 drinks though.
No, I know they got 5 drinks.
Yeah, we just talking shit. We over here drunk as hell. Talking hella shit at the game. The rip done caused some bad ass charge. We yelling. This how to convince herself to call the nigga. If you watching my stuff and you talk to her, she don't got no nigga. No, people be really watching my shit. They be creeps. They don't be creeps. Y'all not creeps, my bad. But like I just don't expect people that I know to watch my videos. So when y'all be telling me like I just watched your video, I be like, really? Yeah, here go this lame ass dance team. Let me show y'all what they do.
They're not lying. I wish I had one of them jackets.
Oh God, no, their outfits are cute, but they're terrible at their job. They ain't gonna let you see.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you pat your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again. Love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah.
getting serious, y'all. We 101. So the score is, I don't know if y'all can see, 69 to 72. Everybody is yeah. Fingers up. Damn. They made us, y'all, 71. Hold on, y'all. It's a lot of content we gotta create after this game, so I'm trying to get prepared. 71, 74. Oh, dang, running. I'll tell you the score at the end of the game. We gotta go back.
You can tell by how I'm kissing you. I know you say you like it when I get to rubbing you. Okay, come on, baby girl, and let me rub on you. Baby, what you doing? Baby, what you doing? Baby, what you doing? Come on, I've been missing you. Baby, what you doing? Baby, what you doing?
They can see me. For some reason, this camera you can see, you know, I be straight. So yeah, just pull it behind my car. I'm gonna run the room again.
I didn't know. I'm just trying to think of what I'm finna get.
Full blown.
Hey y'all, I'm leaving y'all with Winnie.
So you can't see me actually.
Wipe the camera out.
So,
Yo,
Wipe the way.
hey yo, I know
hold on, y'all.
and it ain't my charm.
We ain't even gonna get copyright for that. Not this time. We're gonna go out. We're gonna go out with a bang.
Oh bitch, I ain't going there with no money. I need every hour on the hour.
What's up? So by the grace of God himself, we made it back to the house, and we left her basically everything.
I like
Her whole life here. We were kind of rushing to go to the game, so yeah, she left her whole life in the house. So I put it on my tap today, but this nevertheless, yeah, up. I need to look straight, huh? So yeah, Emily lived her whole life at the house. So before we decided to go out, we went to come get everything. She didn't have her ID. She left everything at the house, so she's going to get that. We're gonna go to Red Hook, if Emily haven't told you, or she's gonna tell y'all. We're going to Red Hook to get some dinner and a few drinks, so that's gonna be pretty cool. Red Hook is great. And I have a flight in the morning, which I'm cool right now. I mean, it's practically only 10 o'clock, but I need to be in the house sleeping or packing or something. Ugh. What's the blanket for? Why do you have a blanket?
I don't know.
You cold?
Make sure I ain't gonna be.
I was telling her, get this witch boot. This shit look like Wizard of Oz.
Yeah, shit.
I'm telling we going to Red Hook to get some food and drinks.
Lord.
It was great talking to y'all.
Can't wait to go back and see what you really said. Oh, chill, y'all. But yeah, we finna, like she said, we finna go eat. Or whatever she told y'all.
I told you that. I told them.
You know we don't gotta eat there because it's like 10 o'clock, but we can. I'm just saying, like, it's other options. Man, I'm so mad at my hair, y'all.
We did say that was on.
Cause these hoes played in my head. They got me grade A-.
Nigga, you fucking great C.
Like, what the fuck? Are you kidding me? And then my leave it already not blending. Like, my nail coming off. Oh, this week is gonna be hell. I'ma just give me some curls on Christmas. I'ma do my hair gonna be cute on Christmas. As always. When the holiday, not the holiday, but when something special come up, it always like I'm being scared. Can't even take the bag, y'all.
Oh yeah.
Oh, let me say nothing. I can tell y'all. When he said it's not illegal, I think it is though.
It's not.
But I can tell y'all though, cause I tell you everything about my man. So basically, can I tell y'all that? I can't tell y'all what he said, but this man just said something to scare the shit out of me, so I'm waiting on him to text back. And he's taking forever. I really ain't talked to him at all today, so the weirdest shit, like, just come out of nowhere, bro, for real. And I'm drunk. I'm not drunk. We only had one drink. I'm not drunk, but I'm just, you know, on my level. It's still gonna run out, the juice. By the way, yeah, I tried it. So yeah, we're on the way to get something to eat. I just told her we didn't have to go to Red Hook because Red Hook do stay open late, but it's
Do you not want Red Hook?
I'm just saying.
Do you not want Red Hook?
No, I'm cool. I'm just saying.
I like everything but Olive Garden.
Red Lobster.
What the fuck do you get from Red Lobster?
See.
That shit's sick.
It really is.
Red Lobster is
No, it
sick,
is. It is.
bro.
I'm trying to think of somewhere that way. I don't want Chili's.
No, we didn't want Chili's.
Right, we went to Chili's. We can't go to Chili's
We
until
did Chili's in today.
April next year. What else is over there? Rafferty's. Rafferty's don't got alcohol. Do they?
The Rafferty's, Papa had a bar, a full bar, but I don't know.
I don't want that bar anyways. Okay, go where you was gonna go to Rio. Ain't nowhere else to go. I just wanted some bread and some, you know, and a drink and, you know.
Get an appetizer.
I want like Longhorn, but I don't want Longhorn. I want, you know what I mean?
You want it's so hard for you. Longhorn.
Like I want bonefish or something. I want something like that. I don't want that. I want some fancy, not fancy, but you know. I just don't want those seafood.
Okay, and then I ask again.
Yeah, where should we go? That's how we should work. I said something, y'all said something. Okay, let's be for real. Literally nowhere to go over here, y'all. I swear to God. Oh, yeah, I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna get back to y'all with what we eat. Before I move on to the next day, I wanted to close up this video. Now you can't lie. This was a successful vlog. Oh, like more successful than all the other ones have been. So, yeah, I should be doing something like about the holidays, some Christmas video, maybe in my house too. Hey, yeah. So. Make sure you go ahead and like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like this video. I am an up and coming YouTuber. We're on the road to 1,000, and yeah, hopefully you watched this video to the end. Hopefully you made it to the end. Thank you for watching to the end. If you did make it to the end, my camera's about to die. I love you guys. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.
On them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I know this the end. I want you